Guys, we welcome you to in-between episodes of Way to Armistice. Sometimes we release episodes on the channel in which there will be a footage that for some reasons wasn't included in the main episodes. Today you're gonna watch one of those episodes. In previous episode we showed you a concrete German shelter, but we couldn't get inside because it was locked. A few weeks later, after filming this episode, I was able to get inside this shelter. It was an event in my country called Night in Museums. This is an event where anyone can visit the museum absolutely free of charge. I was asked to do some photos for the Facebook page. By the way, here are the photos. Well, at the same time I took an opportunity to shoot a little video. I did the editing and now I want to show you how this shelter looks from the inside. So when you talk less, I'll shut up and I wish you good watching.